Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A second puzzle is Zero Stars Sudoku, not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, May the 27th, 2023. It's today actually with Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, but in the yesterday's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no puzzle page. So I need to solve puzzles in the additional of in this case it's from Tuesday May the 2nd, 2023, a while ago, almost a month, 3 weeks ago, I think, more than 3 weeks ago. All right, we have here three puzzles left. The first one I've already solved, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars, and this will be number 6503. 6503. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. Well, this one has, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 printed digits, of course. More than 27. Well, a puzzle with 27 printed digits, it's a 1 star, and this one with more than 27, 0 stars. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes, maybe 14 or 13. We will see. For a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15. So maybe 14, maybe 13, we'll see. So let's get started. All right, three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, last column, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in that box, so one box left for the 4. I should be there. Then how about let me see. Yeah, 4. Okay, we have 4 in this row, 4 in the wait. First this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the first column, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in that column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Look, in this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So here we have 4 4s. Okay. And 2 of them should be a 4. All right. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the row below, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. All right. Okay. Let me see. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, here, 5 in the column next, so no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. Need to wait. 6 to 8, 6 to 8. Now. Let me see. 7. We have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So now we have 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. Alright. 6. Well. And then let me see. 2, 8, 9. 2, 2. 8, 9. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, don't need 2 places left for the 9, should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, don't need 2 places left for the 9, should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 9, okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Need a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. We have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 6. Okay, 7. Need a 3. Need a 9. Yeah, we have a pair. We have a 3 and a 9 in this row. We have a 3 and a 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 3 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in the middle column. So no 3 and 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. So I've eliminated the 5 here. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So I've eliminated the 5. The 5 should be here then. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Same for here, 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. 6, 8, and a 2. 2 two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 6 and 8. 2, 2. Yeah, need to wait. 2, 2, 6 and 8. 2, 6 and 8. 2, 6 and 8. Need to wait. We have a 6 here. Okay. Where can we 6? 6, 6. Ay. 8, the 2, the 6, and the 7. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, no only 2 places left, for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So we have a 2 in this last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Well, and now. Now. Yeah, I need to think. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. So now we have 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2, could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 6 goes there, 2 missing numbers. In this big square, same numbers, I believe. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, same numbers, I believe, the 6 and 8. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. Cannot fill this yet, let me mark those, 6 and 8. 1 number left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have here, the 6, okay. About the 2. Well, we have an 8 there. 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now in the middle row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 6 and the 2, 6 and the 2. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. Alright. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here, or there is here 9 this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mile. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And we have a pair, the 8 and the 6 in this column, the 8 and the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Well. Talk too much. Not faster than 50 minutes, but we solved again. And I like this one, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.